In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your website to your Google business profile. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a large corporation, showcasing your website alongside your Google business page can significantly increase your visibility online. Let's walk through the process together in just 5 minutes. First, you need to navigate to business.google.com. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to use the email linked to your business, whether it's a Gmail account or another email service. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed straight to your business page, making things a little quicker and easier. However, if for any reason you're not automatically taken to your profile, don't worry. You can always perform a quick Google search with either your business name or simply type "my business" to bring up your profile. Once you're in, look for the edit profile icon on the left side of the screen. This is your next stop. By clicking on the edit icon, you're now ready to dive into your business information. At this point, you'll see a section labeled Contact. Selecting this will bring you to where you need to make the change. These contact details are where your customers will often reach out to you, and having your website here is a game changer for potential clients wanting to learn more about your services. Now under Contact, scroll down until you find the website field. It might take just a little bit of scrolling, but it's usually midway down the page. When you spot it, you'll see a small pencil icon next to it. Clicking on this icon will allow you to edit the website field. Go ahead and either type out your business website URL or paste it directly if you have it copied. Remember, ensuring that you have the correct URL is key to making sure that your website gets the traffic it deserves. Once you've entered your URL, the final step is quite simple. Just click the Save button. This confirms your changes and updates your Google business profile. And there you have it, your website is now linked directly on your business profile, making it easier for customers to find you online and access more information about what you offer. In under 5 minutes, you've enhanced your online presence with this simple update. By keeping your Google business profile accurate and up to date, you're making a significant step towards improved customer engagement and increased traffic to your website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one.